Can you restore your old BITMOJI avatar on Snapchat? So now they're rolling this new 3D avatar. And honestly, a lot of users just really frustrated or just are not happy. You were accustomed to your BITMOJI avatar. Of course, it wasn't perfect, but then there is this new avatar, and some users really find it kind of ugly and not looking like you at all. So but what Snapchat says in their support that RB strips and classic avatar styles are no longer supported, meaning they cannot be restored. Thank you for your understanding. So that's it. So they explicitly say here in support center that it's not possible to restore the old avatar. It's quite annoying. You can also reach out to them and suggest some features, but yeah, you can just try to edit your avatar and then select the feature that best represents you and save your avatar. So you can recreate your avatar, try to do that if you don't like it, but yeah, it's still quite annoying. I would really like that they would have the option like, hey, here is old avatar, you can keep that, or here is a new 3D avatar, you can also use that. But unfortunately there is no option like that.